See, today we had a function basically to give this Sarnath as far as Bajegar scheme is concerned. I think last week or some days back, it was the same function was held as far as South Goa is concerned. I appeal to the people who have still not basically filled a form to take this opportunity and this. It is because it is important for them to get themselves as far as the scheme is concerned. And as CM has announced that there will be another this thing as far as the flat scheme is concerned. Flat scheme is not a flat scheme in the sense. There are many builders basically they used to do they should not do sale deed. They should just do agreement for sale and keep that. Because no one would know what would happen afterwards with that. Because those very builders could have even mortgaged their property. So it is very important. It is as the CM's decision today to see that they get their ownership right.
अनेक जे सुविधा हा पळय तो एक कंपलटीने हे घेतले ग्राउंड हा पळय तो ग्राउंड आता एक 1.5 वर्ष झाले तो अजून इनॉग्रेट करूंक ना तर केन्ना हे करतले
See now what happens that ground basically should be handed over. It comes under SUDA and see it is little complex situation as far as the ground is concerned. Land belonged to town planning and it was built by SUDA and then they were supposed to hand it over to the CCP. That still the discussion is still going on. So one that will be completed.
Minister,
What is to be done with that ground, that also is to be decided.
Minister, there will be no impact. You people are
काशीनाथ शेट्टीन कोर्टान गेलाय माझ्या
there will be no
घराचे
impact on the market.
See, as far as legality is concerned, I think they are on the basically on a solid wicket. But our lawyers basically will fight to 10 nail in the court. Rest it is for court to.
Yeah, any data you have? How many more people are being approached for the market?
For there are many people. It is continuous process. That's the reason it's been extended. Now it has been extended for another 1 year's time. So that is the reason I'm saying I appeal to the people basically to come forward and seize of this opportunity.
Till now, how many data you have?
I don't have the data right now, but I can give it to you.
JBC बलून क्राफ्टाची खाशेली कुपन ऑफर. स्क्रॅच करात आणि जिकात भांगर ते कार. एक्साइटिंग गिफ्ट्स जस्ट वन स्क्रॅच अवे. ऑफर कुपन कावेजिक स्टेशनरी स्टोरार उपलब्ध असतले.
The voice for coin.